Welcome to the Englishstorywell channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
It was a sunny Monday morning. Sarah woke up early. She looked at the clock. It was 7 a.m. She smiled and said, "It's a new day. I want to speak better English today." Sarah was a student. She lived in a small city. She was learning English at a local school. She liked her teacher and her classmates. They always helped each other. Sarah got out of bed. She went to the bathroom and brushed her teeth. Then she washed her face. She said to herself in the mirror, "Good morning. Today is going to be a good day." She walked to the kitchen. Her mother was there. "Good morning, Mom," Sarah said. "Good morning, Sarah. Did you sleep well?" her mom asked. "Yes, I slept very well." "Thank you," Sarah answered. Her mom smiled. "Breakfast is ready. Let's eat." Sarah sat at the table. They had toast, eggs, and tea. While eating, Sarah asked, "Mom, can we practice English today?" Her mom nodded. "Yes, of course. Let's start now." Sarah smiled. "Okay, I will ask you some questions." "Sure," said her mom. "What is your name?" Sarah asked. "My name is Fatima," her mom said. "How old are you?" Sarah asked. "I am 45 years old," her mom answered. "What do you do?" Sarah asked. "I am a housewife. I cook, clean, and take care of the family," her mom replied. "Very good, Mom." Sarah clapped her hands. After breakfast, Sarah packed her school bag. She took her English book, notebook, and a pen. She said goodbye to her mom and left for school. She walked to school. It was not far. On the way, she met her friend, Ollie. "Good morning, Ollie," Sarah said. "Good morning, Sarah. How are you?" Ollie replied. "I'm good." "And you?" she asked. "I'm good too. Are you ready for English class?" Ollie smiled. "Yes. I practiced English with my mom this morning," Sarah said proudly. "That's great," Ollie said. They walked together and talked in English. They asked simple questions like, "What is your favorite food?" "I like rice and chicken." "Do you have a pet?" "Yes, I have a cat." "What time do you wake up?" "I wake up at 6:30 a.m. They laughed and had fun speaking English. When they reached school, they saw their teacher, Mr. Hassan, standing at the door. "Good morning, students," Mr. Hassan said. "Good morning, sir," the class answered. The bell rang. It was time for English class. Everyone went to their seats. Mr. Hassan smiled and said, "Today we will practice conversations." Sarah raised her hand. "Can I speak first?" "Of course, Sarah," the teacher said. Sarah stood up. She looked at the class and said, "Hello, my name is Sarah. I am 15 years old. I like reading and learning English." "Very good, Sarah," the teacher said. Then Ollie spoke. "Hello, I am Ollie. I am 16 years old. I like football and learning new words." Everyone clapped. Mr. Hassan was happy. He said, "Let's do pair work now. Ask your partner simple questions and answer them." Sarah worked with a girl named Amina. Sarah asked, "What is your favorite color?" Amina answered, "My favorite color is blue." Amina asked, "What do you like to do after school?" Sarah said, "I like to read books and watch English videos." They both smiled. They were learning and enjoying English. Mr. Hassan said, "Practice every day. Speak English at home, at school, and with friends. You will improve fast." After school, Sarah returned home. She ate lunch and rested for a short time. Then her mom said, "Sarah, let's go to the market. We need to buy some fruits and vegetables." Sarah smiled. "Okay, Mom. Can I help you speak in English?" Her mom laughed. "Yes, that's a good idea." They took a shopping bag and walked to the market. It was a busy place. Many people were buying and selling things. At the first stall, they saw apples and bananas. "Good afternoon," Sarah said to the fruit seller. "Good afternoon," the seller replied. "How much are the apples?" Sarah asked. "Apples are 100 rupees per kilogram," the man said. "We want 2 kilograms, please," Sarah said. The man weighed the apples and gave them a bag. Here you go. Thank you, Sarah said politely. You speak English very well, the man said with a smile. Sarah felt happy. She turned to her mom and said, See, I am practicing English. They walked to the next shop. It sold vegetables. Sarah saw green beans, carrots, and potatoes. She said, Excuse me, how much are the carrots? They are 80 rupees per kilogram, the shopkeeper said. We need 1 kilogram, please, her mom said. The man gave them the carrots. Sarah paid the money and said, Thank you. They went to a bakery next. Sarah loved cakes and biscuits. Can I have 1 chocolate cake, please? She asked the baker.
Sure, he said.
Here it is. How much is it? Sarah asked. 150 rupees, he said. Sarah gave the money and smiled. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too, the baker replied. As they walked home, Sarah told her mom, I learned new words today. Apples, carrots, cake, prices, and per kilogram. Her mom nodded. You're doing great, Sarah. Speaking English in real life is the best practice. After coming home from the market, Sarah helped her mom put the fruits and vegetables in the kitchen. Then, she went to her room to rest. Her phone rang. It was her cousin Amina. Sarah answered the call. Hello, Amina. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you, Sarah? Amina replied. I'm good too. What are you doing now? Sarah asked. I just finished my homework. What about you? I went to the market with Mom, Sarah said. I bought apples, carrots, and a chocolate cake. Wow, that sounds nice, Amina said. Did you speak in English at the market? Yes, I did. Asked about prices, I bought things, and I said thank you, Sarah said proudly. That's great. Do you want to practice speaking with me now? Amina asked. Yes, let's do it, Sarah said. Amina said, Okay, I will ask first. What is your favorite food? Sarah thought for a second. My favorite food is pizza. What is your favorite food? I like biryani, Amina said. Now your turn. Where do you live, Amina? Sarah asked. I live in Lahore. Where do you live? I live in Islamabad, Sarah said. They asked many questions like, What is your favorite color? What do you do in the morning? Do you like reading books? How many brothers and sisters do you have? After some time, Amina said, Sarah, your English is really good. Thank you, Amina. I enjoy learning with you. I enjoy learning with you too, Amina replied. Let's talk again tomorrow. Yes. Bye, Amina. Have a good day. Bye, Sarah. Sarah put down her phone and smiled. Talking in English is fun, she said to herself. It was Sunday morning. The sun was shining and the weather was nice. Sarah's father said, Let's go to the park today. Yes, Sarah said. Can we take a ball and some snacks? Of course, her mother smiled. Let's pack everything. They packed sandwiches, juice, and a small football. Then they all went to the park, Sarah, her mom, her dad, and her little brother, Hamza. At the park, children were playing, families were walking, and birds were singing in the trees. Sarah saw a girl sitting on a bench. The girl was reading a book. Sarah walked over and said politely, Hello, my name is Sarah. What's your name? The girl smiled. Hi, I'm Zoya. Nice to meet you, Zoya. What book are you reading? Sarah asked. I'm reading a storybook. It's about animals. That sounds fun. I like storybooks too, said Sarah. Zoya asked, Do you want to play with me? Yes. I have a ball, Sarah said. They started playing together. Soon, Zoya's little sister and Sarah's brother joined them. They played for a long time, running and laughing. Later, the two girls sat down under a tree. Where do you go to school? Sarah asked. I go to Green Hill School, Zoya replied. What about you? I go to Sunrise School, Sarah said. I'm in grade 4. I'm in grade 4 too, Zoya said. Do you like English? Yes. I practice English every day, Sarah smiled. Even now, we are speaking in English. You are right, Zoya laughed. This is fun. Sarah said, Talking to new people helps me learn more English. Zoya nodded. Let's meet again and talk more. Sarah agreed. Yes, I want to learn more words. Their parents called them for snacks. They said goodbye and walked to their families. Sarah's mother said, "You made a new friend today." "Yes," Sarah smiled. "And I practiced English." "That's wonderful," her father said. "You're getting better every day." Sarah felt happy. She enjoyed her day and loved speaking English. One day after school, Sarah's teacher said, "Class, tomorrow we are going to visit the library. You can read books and borrow them to take home." Sarah was excited. She had never been to a library before. That evening, she told her mother, "We are going to the library tomorrow. I want to find English books." "That's wonderful," her mom smiled. "Reading books will help you learn new words." The next day, the whole class walked to the town library. It was a big, quiet place with many books. Inside, a friendly lady greeted them. "Hello, children. I'm Ms. Amina. I'm the librarian." "Hello, Ms. Amina," the students said together. "Today, I will show you how to use the library," Ms. Amina said. "You can find storybooks, science books, and books with pictures." Sarah raised her hand. "Can I find English books for children?" Ms. Amina smiled. "Yes, we have many. Follow me." Sarah followed her to a small corner with colorful books. "These books are easy to read," said Ms. Amina. "They will help you learn English." Sarah picked one book. "This book is about a cat and a dog," she said. "Yes," Ms. Amina replied. "It is a simple story. Would you like to read it here?" "Yes, please," Sarah said. She sat down and started reading. The book said, "The cat is big. The dog is small. They like to play. They are good friends." Sarah read slowly. She sounded out each word. Ms. Amina came and sat next to her. "You are doing very well," Ms. Amina said. "Do you know what friends means?" "Yes," Sarah said. "A friend is someone you like and talk to." "Good job," Ms. Amina said. "And play means to have fun together." Sarah smiled. "I love learning new words." Ms. Amina gave her a card. "This is your library card. Now you can take books home." "Thank you," Sarah said. She borrowed 2 books, one about animals and one about a little girl who loves school. When she got home, she read them to her little brother. "Look, Hamza," she said. "This is a dog. Dog, dog." Hamza laughed and repeated, "Dog." Sarah felt proud. She was helping her brother and learning English too. The next day at school, Sarah told her teacher, "I love the library. I want to go again." Her teacher said, "That's the spirit, Sarah. Keep reading. Keep learning." Sarah nodded. She knew that every book would help her become better at English.